In high motion and hard to access system, friction shows up in more ways than one. Sometimes it's physical contact, wear, and motion. And sometimes it's everything that comes with it: access, maintenance, and interruption. So NearFi removes physical contact, which is one of the most common sources of friction in industrial systems. Now, let's look at what makes NearFi so well suited for industrial environments. To start, NearFi features an IP65 housing, making it resistant to water and washdown environments. It's also designed to tolerate contaminants like dust, dirt, and even weld splatter. And because NearFi works through non-metallic material, you can put it in sealed enclosures. So these environments, they don't just introduce contamination, they increase the difficulty of maintaining and accessing the system over time. In environments like these, every point of access matters, so mounting stability is critical. Multiple mounting options allow you to secure the coupler for stability, especially in high vibration environments. And with an IK06 rating, NearFi is built to handle the physical impact that you may commonly see in industrial settings. It's also designed to operate across a wide temperature range, which is also common in industrial applications. Because in these conditions, it's not just about performance, it's about avoiding unnecessary intervention. This isn't just about surviving harsh environments, it's about reducing the need for intervention within them. Because in the end, friction isn't just what wears down components, it's what slows down the entire system. And the best systems aren't designed to manage that friction, they're designed to remove it entirely. If your system operates in motion, contamination, or is difficult to access, this is where NearFi makes the biggest impact.